Want to turn your graphic design skills into cash without spending a dime? In just 2 minutes, I'll show you how to make money online with zero investment using platforms like 99 Designs and Fiverr. Stick around to the end for some pro tips and start your journey to earning from home today. First up, let's talk about 99 Designs. This platform is perfect for designers to showcase their talent and get paid for it. You can participate in design contests or offer one-on-one services. Simply create an account, fill out your profile and start submitting your designs to contests. If your design gets chosen, you get paid. What's great about 99 Designs is that it has a wide range of categories, from logo design to web design, so you can find your niche and shine. Plus, it's a fantastic way to build your portfolio and gain exposure. Next, let's look at Fiverr, another awesome platform for graphic designers. On Fiverr, you create gigs, which are basically your service listings. For example, you can offer to design logos, social media graphics, or even business cards. The best part, you set your own prices and packages. To stand out on Fiverr, make sure your gig description is clear and enticing. Use eye-catching thumbnails for your gigs and include examples of your best work. Over time, as you get more reviews and build your reputation, you can increase your rates and attract more clients. Here are some pro tips to boost your success. Showcase your best work. Only upload high-quality samples to impress potential clients. Stay professional. Communicate clearly and meet deadlines to build a strong client relationship. Keep learning. Graphic design trends are always evolving, so keep honing your skills and stay updated with the latest tools and techniques. And there you have it. Making money online with graphic design and no investment is totally possible. Platforms like 99 Designs and Fiverr are excellent starting points. So get creative, put your skills out there and start earning. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our future tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy designing.